Hello, you beautiful divine soul. You already have everything you need inside of you. I'm going to say that again because it's important. You already have everything you need inside of you. Now, if you don't believe that about yourself, I want you to be okay with that. I want you to make that not a bad thing. It's okay if you maybe know you should believe that in your head, but your body, your energy, your beliefs just haven't gotten online with that. That's okay. That is an opportunity to just get curious about it and go explore that of why does it seem like you don't already have everything you already need. Now, absolutely, we are going to get the support of other people in our life, our friends, our, healers and energy workers and therapists and coaches, people who can support us. Absolutely. And most of us are lifelong learners. So definitely you're still going to be learning things, but you still have what you need to embody and embrace all the answers within you. Now, you might be somebody who does know that and does believe that and feels that about yourself, but you are having a hard time accessing what's already inside of you because of interference. Interference that distracts you or frustrates you or overwhelms you or makes you doubt yourself and makes you hesitant to act on your own inner knowing, or makes it seem like it's hard to access it and hard to clearly hear that. So I really encourage you to spend some time with that piece of you already have everything you need inside of you. What does that bring up for you? How does it feel? What's keeping you from maybe fully trusting that and believing that and stepping into that piece? When we are able to give the interference that is circling around that truth within us and keeping us from fully embodying and unlocking that inner knowing, then it may just take some time to really get clear on what is that interference. And as you can get clear on what that is and really let it have a quality or a word or a feeling associated with it so that you can let your brain categorize it, let your brain call it out, then you can start to take the power back and not let that interference hijack you and have power over you, but take the power back into that inner knowing, into that true essence that is inside of you. If you would like to dive in to finding some of these answers and getting grounded and clear about what is the interference that's distracting from that inner truth, and then getting really grounded in that inner knowing and the essence of the truth that you already have all the answers within you and starting to unlock some of those, then I would encourage you to watch the webinar in the link below and spend some time in some meditative practice and doing some journaling and self-discovery in order to have some ahas and to really ground into some transformation within yourself. Thank you so much for joining me here. I am wishing you all the best in unlocking and living your inner knowing.